What is up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. This is Somerville Serpents, and I am Tyreek. I want to say good morning to everybody, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world tuning in. I appreciate you guys watching the video. So today, we are going to do an actual unboxing. A Somerville Serpents first unboxing. I am on the way right now to the FedEx hub to go pick up our newest breeder male. This boy is a beautiful ball python. Excuse the dirty clothes and stuff. I just left work. I have some stuff I gotta take care of today, along with picking up this boy. But yeah, so I wanted to take you along on this journey with me. It's gonna be our first official, actual unboxing video instead of an unbagging. Most of the stuff I've picked up locally, so this is my first time getting a snake that's been shipped to me. Gotta get there in a certain time period, make sure the snake is okay and healthy, nice and, well, I'm not sure if he's gonna be too warm, but make sure that he survives the journey. So yeah, we are on the way right now. We are gonna go stop by the house, pick up the proper documentation that we need, drive straight to the FedEx hub, pick that boy up. So yeah, I'll be back at you guys in just a minute as soon as we get to the hub and pick that boy up. I'll see you guys in 1 second. Alright guys, so we're just getting here to the FedEx shipping center. About to walk in, go get our package, check on this boy, see how he's doing. So I just wanted to let you know that we arrived. I'll get back to you guys in 1 second when I pick up the package.
Wow.
It wasn't all of our
At
packages.
7:35 this morning. It looks like that's whatever we're going to
I
do.
went with my gut and asked if it was a reptile.
Yes, it is.
Right off the bat.
Thank you.
All right, and I just
So we have got our package. Can't wait to open this guy up. It's a ball python.
Oh, that's not so bad.
No, it's not too bad.
Nice and
He's
soft.
beautiful though.
Can you just
I
sign for me
absolutely
right
can. Sign for this package.
All right, I'll be right back. Let me just have a look.
No worries.
The world's sloppiest signature.
It looks like the truck may have just left from last night.
Yeah,
Excited.
there? There you go.
That's it?
That's it.
He's mine. Thank
All
you.
yours.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
He's got some good weight on him. So we got our package. I'm not gonna open them up yet in the car. We're gonna drive home, but we are gonna open the box real quick and just check on him, make sure he's doing well. I want to open the bag together with you guys so you guys can see my authentic reaction. So I'm just gonna pop this box open real quick. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? And excuse me, y'all, the camera quality might not be too great right now, just because I am doing this by myself, one-handed. These friggin' new keys suck. They don't have the point on them like the old ones used to. Still getting the job done. So let's see. Let me see if I have a better way to record this. I should have brought my goddamn selfie stick. Sorry about the camera quality, guys. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna grab my keys again. I'm gonna tear this tape a little more. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So right off the bat, let's see. I don't want to mess this guy up too much. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you guys, this guy's came from Chimera off of Morph Market. My buddy Patrick over there. He did a beautiful, beautiful job shipping this animal. Nice and insulated. He's nice and secured. We just want to... Oh, Jesus, sorry, buddy. All right, we got this popped open. So lovely. Sent over some stickers, Ship Your Reptiles, Chimera stickers. These are gonna go right on the side of the rack. We'll take a better look at these once we get home. Invoice for this reptile. Just beautiful, very professional. Sent the invoice for him. Lovely. We got a beautiful logo right there. Chimera. So we're gonna pop this open. Lovely. The heat pack is still nice and warm. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful setup. I'll take this stuff out real quick. And I can feel him moving around. So he is alive. It's perfect. I'm gonna close this back up. And we'll do it all over again when we get to the house. So for me, it's gonna be about a half an hour drive. But for you guys, I'll see you guys in just a second. Stay tuned. This is gonna be a kind of big deal unboxing. A co-dom that we already have because he is a backup male. I had to get him shipped. Our male that went off food hasn't gotten the job done. I haven't seen any follicle growth from this girl yet or anything. We got two females that this new male is going to be going to late in the season. Hopefully he can kick one past the goalpost and get the job done late in the season. But it's a whole new recessive that we don't have. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boy. All right, I'm going to stop talking. I'll see you guys in 1 second. All right, guys. Welcome back. Well, it was only a second for you guys. But anyways, so we made it home. We have our box. We're about to do our first Somerville Serpents actual unboxing. We got a very, very pretty boy. I got this set up. Excuse the camera angle and the video quality today. I'm here shooting by myself. The kids are in school. They usually help me making these videos. Excuse my attire. I shot straight from work to go pick this boy up. All right, enough talking. Anyways, so let's do this again. This boy came from Chimera. My buddy Patrick over at Chimera shipped him yesterday overnight. Got to the FedEx hub in Warwick, Rhode Island, a little earlier this morning. As soon as I got the notification, I was, hey boss, I'm sorry, I gotta go. No problem, Tyreek. you know, your whatever, good work, you're always here, not a big deal. Had some other stuff to handle. Anyways, long story short, we flew out, went to go pick this boy up. Again, if you guys need to pick up some new stuff for your projects, or you just want a beautiful pet, check out my boy over at Chimera on North Market. So, without further ado, let's do this. Let's talk about the packaging and stuff first. Obviously, the box, got the warning labels on it, perishable items, handle with care. Yeah, it has the live animal sticker. You guys can see that. It's marked off as a reptile. So anyways, let's talk about what came in the package. Again, he sent me the invoice. Very professional, letting me know exactly what I paid for. Shipping costs, all that other stuff here, not that important. Let's take a look at some of these stickers. They're gonna go up on the rack immediately. Use a Ship Your Reptiles. This is something I'm gonna have to look into after we start having clutches this year and start selling our hatchlings and shipping them and stuff like that. Either Redline, Ship Your Reptiles. The FedEx hub was not too far from the house. Like I said, about a half an hour drive. So if they do something with Ship Your Reptiles, maybe it'll be them, maybe it'll be Redline. But anyways, so send me a cool little Ship Your Reptiles sticker. That's about to get put up. A couple of these little Chimera stickers. Excuse me, sorry, it's not really the best angle. Right here, a bigger one, then a little one with the Chimera. And then the clutch sticker, it's fire. These are all gonna go up right now. Just give me 1 second and I'll show you guys. We just started our little sticker collection, so it's not really too many up there, but obviously the more people that we buy from, the more stickers we'll get, the more stickers we'll put up on the side of our snake rack. These some tricky ass stickers. This one might not be a sticker, I might be tripping. Oh no, it's definitely a sticker, okay. So we got the first sticker off, the clutch sticker. Just gonna come right here. I'll show you guys in 1 second, just stay with me. Next one, the Ship Your Reptile sticker. So we got the next one, Ship Your Reptile sticker. Hey, you guys knock it off. And then, of course, Jesus, man, these things are giving me the fight of my life. We got our 2 Chimera stickers. Here's one. Just gonna go right here. Get it nice and straight. And then our second Chimera sticker. And also, this guy did a lovely job with shipping. He shipped it fast, got it to me in a decent time span, but not in an unsafe manner. He didn't ship it when the weather was too cold or anything like that. So much respect to you, Patrick, at Chimera. I was very happy with that. So I went through his page, saw what else he had available, just put a deposit down on another snake from them. I believe that's the best way to do business with people. Once you have a transaction with them, when they prove to you that they know what they're doing and that they're not only know what they're doing, but they're good at what they do and prove to be successful and having your best interest in mind, you can stick with those people. Look at me, I'm a mess right now, all from work. Okay, last one, our other Chimera sticker. It's gonna go right next to the other one. Hey, you guys, knock it off. All right, so real quick, we're just gonna take a quick look. That's one half of the rack, other half of the rack. H&B Exotics, Action Reptiles, Reptichip, Reptilution, Clutch, Ship Your Reptiles, Chimera. That's not everyone we've bought from, excuse me, but that is everyone that we've gotten stickers from and stuff. So anyway, without further ado, let's get right to it. Let's get this stuff off to the side. Who gives a shit about that? Next up, what do we have here? Just insulation. Like I said, lovely heat pack right on top. Still very, very, very warm. So this is perfect. This boy is gonna be in beautiful condition. Fuck that. Look, just look at the setup here, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Do a little keychain in there. It's kind of dope. Probably give it to one of the boys. I'll alternate. One will get this one, and then the next one that comes in, whatever comes in the next box that we get, we'll alternate it between the kids. So, hey, leave that alone. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. Also, I almost forgot about this. So, come on, get down, let's go. Lovely. Take this, toss that to the side. Look at this. We're gonna get some t-shirts made soon. But a beautiful XL t-shirt from Chimera. Lovely, beautiful t-shirt. We're gonna start our collection right there. So what we're gonna do is, today's episode, shout out to you, Chimera. Thank you for doing a lovely job at shipping this reptile to me. Thank you for producing such a beautiful boy. And yeah, without further ado, so he doesn't feel too cool. All right, we got the thing banded up. No way for him to get out. Some people use zip ties. He used an elastic band, which works for me. The animal's still safe, so that works. Let's get this undone. Oh yeah, this is not gonna be easy. Oh, it was easier than I thought. All right, you guys ready? Ooh, buddy. And he is alive. I can see him in there moving around. He just ducked his head in. Not too cool to the touch. So, ready? 3, 2. Now, like I said, the codom he has in him, we do have already, but as you can tell, there's a significant difference in this. So this boy is Butter. He carries Butter. He's replacing our male for our Bells project. So let's just take a look at him. Let's get a good look. The head right there. Look at the color, man. And it doesn't do it justice. The camera quality we have here. And just seeing this through video doesn't truly give a true example to how beautiful this boy is in person. Now, so we're gonna take a quick look. He's a good sized boy, already obviously breeding size. Beautiful, beautiful boy. We're gonna take a quick look. Hold up, buddy. Yeah, stay with me for 1 second. I'm gonna take a quick look at our other Butter male. So that is Tut. He's our pastel yellow belly butter boy. And then look at this butter. And the reason they are so significantly different is because this boy right here is also a visual Ultramel. So we just added Ultramel into our collection. So if this boy can get the job done with the females that we're trying to make bells out of, everything will also be het Ultramel that he goes to. So if you guys give me 1 second, I'm gonna get Tut back in his enclosure. I just wanted to show you guys a visual difference. Hi, buddy. Come on. Okay, so again, a butter Ultramel. We're gonna be using him in our bells project. We have our lesser girl that was originally produced by Brian Barczyk. And then we have our queen bee girl that also has lesser in her, trying to make some bells. If they do end up producing this season, everything will be het Ultramel. We'll have normals, lessers, butter lessers, which are bells, blue-eyed leucistics, pastels, spiders, combination of those, pastel lesser spider, pastel butter spider, queen bees, all het for Ultramel. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful addition to the family. Trying to get my hand free real quick. He's very tense right now, so he might not let me do this, but he's already scoping around, heading right towards the female's enclosure. I'm trying to get this done for you guys. Yep, I don't know if you can see that, but he is producing plugs and everything. Obviously, he's a mature male. Let me see. Get a quick weight on him. You guys give me 1 second. Leave him right here on top of this bag. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna bring him down off camera real quick. Oh, he's not off camera. I thought he would be off camera. I'm gonna scale out, turn it on. Let's hear it. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see the weight. There, and we will grab him, like I said, real quick. Just try to get a weight on this boy. And he's sitting at 850 grams, if you guys can see that. Right there, so perfect for breeding size. Again, a beautiful, beautiful male. With that being said, his enclosure, everything's all set up. So I appreciate you guys watching today's video. New addition. We're gonna have another video coming. I might hit you with back-to-back videos today, depending. I might go pick up another breeder male that we're introducing to the collection. And after that, that's it. We're gonna be done with males. We're only picking up females from here on out for a little bit. But anyways, if not, then you guys will have another video this weekend introducing him. But we're gonna try to make it tonight. Hit you with a 2-for-1 special today. But again, a butter Ultramel. Hopefully we can have those females go, produce some bells that are het Ultramel and some other stuff that's het Ultramel. Anyways, yeah, beautiful boy. Thank you guys for watching the video today. I appreciate it. If you like the content, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like the video. Leave some comments down below on what you think of this new male. And thank you for supporting the channel. That's it. With you guys, peace, love, and blessings to you and your family. I appreciate it. Everyone have a great night.